1222, turn left here at Yankee on Whiskey, cross runway 19 left and then ground, or uniform, cross runway 19 left and then ground point 1.
Uniform Whiskey, cross 19 left, ground, Southwest 1222.
Las Vegas Tower, good afternoon, dispatch 03, visual 19 left.
Jet chair 410, 115018, gust 25, runway 19 right, clear for immediate takeoff.
19 right, clear for immediate takeoff, jet chair 410.
In 2470 Las Vegas Tower, runway 19 left, line up and wait.
Up and wait, 19 left to bring it 2470.
Drive 303 Las Vegas Tower, 115018, gust 25, runway 19 right, clear to land.
19 right, clear to land, dispatch 303.
In 2470, traffic off the parallel is going to be a right turn out. Wind 15017, gust 25, runway 19 up. Disregard that. Hold in position for 1 second.
Holding position, American 2470.
American 2470, now we're good to go. Wind 15017, gust 25, runway 19 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 19 left, American 2470.
1966 Las Vegas Tower, runway 19 left, line up and wait.
19 left, line of wait, Southwest 1966.
Chair 410, contact departure.
For departure, jet chair 410, take care. Southwest 3450.